Today I'll be installing an extended mixer screw made by Friday's the Bomb on my XR650L. The first step is this whole process to remove the carburetor, rip it out like you're an Aztec. Nextly, we're going to have to see the very bottom of the carburetor towards where the float bowl is. Just remove the fuel mixer screw. All it requires is a flat head. Just back it out until it will pop out. And we'll be moving on to the next step. However, not everyone's on the Dave's mod has a tab where they can just screw it all the way out. So as an alternative, what they'll have to do is they'll have to remove the float bowl. Which, I mean, that's not all that hard. All you have to do is remove 4 Phillips head screws, as I'm showing here. And then you should just be able to twist it out like normal. The mod here will actually resolve the issue, so you don't even have to grind any tab off or anything. So, yeah. So, on the new mixer screw, there is no spring or O-ring. Friday the Bomb provides it, but I was too foolish to even look in the package to see it was there. Anyways, install his, because I'm sure it'll work better. So, now that the new spring and O-ring's installed, all we do is screw it into the old screw hole where the mixer screw was. I went all the way in so I can go ahead and back it out the 2.5 I have to do when I'm finished. Now, install your carburetor, just reverse removing it, and then put the new extended mixer screw right where the brake reservoir mounts. I mean, it's really not that hard. And then it just screws in perfectly into place. After you pretty much line it up, start screwing it in, take a socket, make it snug, and then there you are. It's already been totally completed, so if you ever need to make adjustments at higher altitudes, you can make carburetor adjustments without burning your hand or using a tiny little tool. Anyways, this product is absolutely great. It's easy to use, and it's helped me out a ton already. A link to it I'll leave it in the description below. It leads it to his eBay. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy.